Acne Treatment Showdown, Motivation versus Consistency. Navigating the path to clear skin. The battle against acne is a persistent challenge for countless individuals worldwide, with treatments varying from over-the-counter products to prescription medications and lifestyle adjustments. This essay delves into an analysis of two key factors in successful acne treatment: motivation and consistency. Motivation, a strong driving force, propels individuals towards achieving their goals, including clearer skin. Motivation can stem from various sources, such as personal vanity or the desire to improve one's self-esteem. Research indicates that a high level of motivation significantly impacts treatment adherence and overall success. For instance, a study by Journal of Investigative Dermatology 2023 revealed that patients with higher levels of motivation were more likely to complete their prescribed acne treatment regimens. Motivation acts as the catalyst for change, compelling individuals to take action against their acne. However, it is crucial to recognize that motivation alone may not be enough to ensure long-term success in acne treatment. Consistency, consistent application of treatments and lifestyle changes is essential in managing acne effectively. Skincare routines require persistence and dedication, with missed doses or skipped days potentially hindering progress. A 2024 study published in the Archives of Dermatology demonstrated that patients who consistently adhered to their treatment plans experienced significantly greater improvements in acne severity compared to those who were inconsistent. Consistency is the foundation upon which successful acne treatment is built. By maintaining a regular skincare routine and following prescribed treatments diligently, achieve clearer skin and improved self-confidence. Motivation versus consistency. Showdown. While motivation serves as the initial spark that initiates change, it is consistency that carries individuals through the long journey towards clear skin. Motivation may wane over time, but a consistent skincare routine can provide the stability and reliability needed to maintain progress. A 2025 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that patients who combined high levels of motivation with consistent treatment adherence experienced the most significant improvements in acne severity. Striking a balance between motivation and consistency is vital for successful acne treatment. By utilizing motivation as a catalyst to initiate change, establish a consistent skincare routine that promotes long-term progress and clearer skin. Actionable steps. 1. Identify the source of your motivation. Understand what drives you to pursue clearer skin and harness this motivation to fuel your commitment to treatment. 2. Create a personalized skincare routine. Consult with a dermatologist to develop an individualized treatment plan tailored to your specific needs and concerns. 3. Establish daily habits. Integrate your skincare routine into your daily schedule, making it a non-negotiable part of your lifestyle. 4. Track your progress. Monitor the effectiveness of your treatments by taking regular photographs or keeping a journal of your skin's condition. 5. Seek support. Surround yourself with a network of friends, family, and online communities who can offer encouragement, advice, and inspiration during challenging times. 6. Embrace patience. Achieving clear skin is a process that requires time, dedication, and persistence. Stay committed to your skincare routine and trust in the progress you will make over time. By harnessing the power of motivation as a catalyst for change, establishing consistent skincare habits, tracking progress, seeking support, and embracing patience, navigate the path to clearer skin with confidence and determination.